I feel like everything in my life has led me to you. My choices, my heartbreaks, my regrets, everything. And when we're together, my past seems worth it. Because if I have done one thing differently, I might never have met you again.
California speaks softly like she's making up her mind.
Being with you has given my life purpose and meaning. The kind that magnifies the good and trivializes the bad. Our special way, the way we love, laugh, play together, is something that has become essential in my life. And though I may forget a lot of things, that is not ever going to be one of them. I cannot guarantee you a perfect life or a perfect husband. But what I am and am capable of giving, I will gladly give to you.
I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you. Through your shining eyes, sweet like Jeffrey Pines, I pretended I could read your thoughts. Now it's just the truth. Seems our hearts are fused, solid like the gold your sister brought. And how am I lucky enough to say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause
Mattias, will you take Flora to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her, giving her before yourself for the rest of your days?
I do.
Flora, will you take Mattias to be your husband? Promise to be faithful to him, putting him before yourself for the rest of your days.
Yes, I do.
loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you. And I say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving
future and our goals in sight. We know we don't get depressed. Here's what